Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
First of all, I thank you both. It has been a learning experience, and I mean, thank you so much for everything, ma'am. Uh, like I have done my MA, that you all know. So, but then the need to do this course was this only, which I have got finally. I mean, there I did the theory part, but then no training part was covered in our course. So that was always, I could have taken the classes, I could have done something, but then without this training, it was just not possible. I mean, everything was taught in such a detail that each and every minute things were told about a particular posture, and even revising all those bandhas and everything. I mean, the curriculum is very nicely framed, ma'am. Each and everything was covered in this 200-hour course, and with both you, it was a different learning experience with both you, you both. Uh, but then, like. Uh, Joita ma'am, when she explains, you know, that as Suma said, very, I mean, मैम एक एक चीज ऐसे करके बताना, एंड मैम यू ऑल्सो, अदिति मैम हैज, आई मीन, हम मुझे तो पसीना आ जाता था, मतलब मैम जब आप कराते थे ना, तो इट वाज, आई मीन, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी यूज्ड टू फील सो गुड. आई मीन, it was such a wonderful this thing with you both, and it was always my this thing that it has happened for the first time that I attended almost all the classes. In MA, I could not attend, but this was the best part of the day, best part of my routine, and I always waited. Okay, but then the same thing as Archana also mentioned, that whenever we needed anything or whenever some topic was discussed in the during this course, and whether we ask or not, Aditi ma'am and Joita ma'am, they used to share the PDFs the same day. मतलब ऐसे दिमाग में भी आता था ये कहाँ से करना है, उस same day उसी time वो other than that manual thing, we have got a lot of stuff to read and to go through. So what I'm going to do after this now, what my plan is, like taking classes as well as going through the whole course, I mean, each day, and I want to relive that. I mean, because that will be revision for me, and again the alignment thing, I'll get to revise all that. So thank you so much once again, ma'am, and we'll never, I mean, it's not that we'll never forget you, but then it is you only, you both only, that I mean, you have made a change to my life. And this was something like, when I completed this course, I was in air. I mean, I was so happy that I have done this, which I always wanted to do. I always wanted to do some course where I actually learn each and every alignment, and for every posture. Otherwise, वो त्रिकोणासन ऐसे करना, and that's done. So it was all done in my head. I mean, not that teachers were good, but then we were not given that much time for the practicals. But I think I'm taking too long. Thank you so much once again, ma'am.